Good morning. In today's video, I am actually responding to a comment that I got on another one of my videos. As you know, if you follow the channel, I just love getting comments, and I love making videos to respond to them. So I want to thank Vivian for submitting a comment that would give me a chance to make a video about it. In today's video, we are talking about the Skillshare affiliate program. I've done a few videos in the channel about Skillshare just because I think it's such a great place for beginners to get started. To have lots of access to information, and it just doesn't cost all that much from what you see out there on the interweb. So the question was well, the comment in question, and I'll just read it. It says, you didn't really explain how you got referrals. You said that you made a video on YouTube comparing Skillshare to YouTube, Udemy, and Teachable. Question is, and then please explain how that led to a referral. Can you be more specific? Did you have to add a link to Skillshare in your YouTube description? Does the referral have to sign up for premium, or can they sign up for a free trial? Do you still get referral credits? Does Skillshare provide you with a unique referral affiliate link to share on your social platforms? Did you have to recommend somebody else's courses other than your own, etc., etc.? All right, well, there's a couple things in here. I'm going to unpack it a little bit. The Skillshare platform, if you're not familiar with it, it's a like a Netflix style course platform. It's an e-learning platform. So you sign up for it, and then you have access to everything in their library. You don't buy a course, one at a time like you might on Udemy or Teachable or other places. You just pay one fee, either a monthly fee or a yearly fee, and then you get access to everything. It has a great referral program, and I think it's one of the better ones, honestly, just because the people don't have to actually become paying customers. If you look at the FAQs for Skillshare, and I'll just jump you over there, you get $10 in commission for each new customer that signs up for a premium membership or a free trial. So if you send people to Skillshare currently and they do the free trial, which right now, like I have a link where I can give you 2 free months to Skillshare, which I think is really generous. Most platforms are only going to give new users, maybe a week or 2 weeks, but 2 months is extraordinary. Sometimes they will give away more to get people to sign up. So your customers who come over and do a free trial, they don't have to sign up for premium or to pay anything at all for you to get that $10 commission. So if you can have somebody, refer somebody to Skillshare, and they sign up for a free trial within 30 days of using your link, then you qualify for that $10 commission, which I think is really awesome. And this question down here, do trial signups count as a referral? The answer is yes, they do. And for me personally, I refer people to Skillshare, and I have no idea whether or not they become a premium member or not. That information isn't presented to me. It's just a matter of whether or not they use my link to sign up for something. And if they do, then that's something that I will get the $10 commission for. Another question in here is, does Skillshare provide you with a unique referral or affiliate link? And I'm just going to show you where to find that, because the answer is naturally yes. So here in your Skillshare platform, and this is just a screenshot of the inside of mine, you can see over here there's my little face, and when you click on that, it brings you to a drop down where you see the words refer a friend. And then when you click on that, it will bring you to this screen that has your link, and you can do basically whatever you want with it. I wouldn't recommend that you go and spam the link everywhere. Just post it willy-nilly, because people don't click it and sign up for it, and all you do is piss people off, especially if you just go to Facebook groups and where people don't know you and they don't trust you, and you just take your link and spam it out everywhere. But it'd be pretty easy to post on your own Facebook profile, with a note about, your experience with it, and, not so much, hey, I'll get $10 if you sign up, but, why it is that people could benefit from getting 2 free months of all you can consume e-learning. I think that's pretty awesome. Another place that you will find a link is in each of the individual courses. So when you go to a course and click on it, you will see a button over here that allows you to share the class. And so you can refer people to Skillshare generally, or you can suggest or refer them to a specific course. And so, hey, you can get this course that you're really interested in for free. Did you know that? And here's how. And they can get it and, sign up for the free trial, get the course for free, and then you would get that commission. But so there are two ways to get links that are unique to you, that if somebody clicks on it and within 30 days they sign up for a free trial, is here over in your profile, and then also in the individual course. Another question another part of this question says, you made a video. What did you do that led to the referral? So what I did was in my YouTube account, and you can see basically everything that I did as far as videos, and you'll see that it's not a heck of a whole lot, honestly. But I just made a couple of videos about Skillshare, and then in the top of the description, I just dropped the link. It said, try Skillshare for free for 2 months, and then just put the link there. I haven't been super aggressive about this just because Skillshare for me has been more of a place where I've been focusing on uploading content and using it, right? Just using it to learn because I have so much to learn. But, if you really want to be focused on making money with the affiliate program, and some people really are, just because you get $10 for just getting people to sign up for the free trial. I mean, I can't see Skillshare doing that in the long run. I think in the future, Skillshare is going to convert that to you get $10 or you get a payment when somebody converts to a customer. I think this is kind of wild, actually, that they still are paying out for free trials. So what was my personal strategy? That was part of the question, is what did you do in order to basically get the referrals that you've gotten? So my personal strategy is to make YouTube videos and mention the free trial. And then I also did a couple of blog posts about Skillshare, but I don't really think that those have done a heck of a whole lot for me, just because my blogs aren't in a place where they get a ton of traffic. So, but I mean, that is something that you can do. And those are the two things that I did. Say, oh, well, you must have done a lot of stuff. I mean, it's not something that I'm working on actively to push really hard on the Skillshare program. I didn't, go out and take the link and post it in any Facebook groups. I haven't done any sort of one-on-one, talking about it or recommending it, although I think that actually can be a good way to do it. Not like an MLM, like targeting people or saying, going to people that aren't used to talking to me, but just if I am talking to a friend or I'm talking to a family member already and they want to know what I'm doing, I'll tell them about being a course creator on Skillshare, and a lot of times they're very interested, and I can say, oh, hey, yeah, and by the way, they give you 2 months free, so if you want to check it out, I've got a link for that. And most of the time people aren't interested, but every once in a while someone is. I haven't had a personal family friend or a family member use any of the links that I have provided, but it's not a spammy way to talk to people about it, and you're able to provide them with a little more background to why it is that it might be beneficial to them. And these are things that you can do. You can make YouTube videos, and they don't have to be about Skillshare. They could be about any of the topics. So let's say you are making videos on YouTube about music. And, in the middle of the video, at the beginning or the end, you can say, oh, hey, and by the way, if you want to learn more about this particular skill, there's a free course you can get over at Skillshare. You can get access to it for 2 months for free using this link. And, that's a way to get people over there without being super spammy, because you're actually offering them something of value, and you're not requiring that they, pay you money or pay anyone money to get this thing of value. You can do the same on social media. You can, you could do the free trial, right? You could do the free trial and go through and find the best courses, the top, most awesome courses that you know about, or you think that you could talk to people about. So you don't have to pay any money, but you can watch the course and get the value out of it, and then just keep a list of what those courses are, and then go to your Facebook and say, hey, I found this awesome course, I learned so much from it. This is the value that I got from it. I think you could, get lots of value out of it, and it's free, and you can leave your link there. Now, keep in mind that the FTC does recommend, well, it requires that, truth in advertising, basically. So it's a really good idea in general to let people know when a link is an affiliate link. you don't want to lie and say, you know, that I don't get anything out of this, because you do. But it's pretty easy to say, you know, especially if you're doing a video or a blog post, to say, yeah, it's an affiliate link and I get paid money when people click on it. Um, it's just something that you should do in all of your posts anytime that you are leaving affiliate links, just so people know what it is that they're getting into. But in general, you know, my strategy for getting referrals through Skillshare has been fairly simple. I'm focused more on creating content and people watching the content, but you know, there's a lot of ways to make money with the program. So this is my I hope I answered that question. And Vivian, if you see this video and you still have questions about Skillshare, you know, let me know. Let me know in the comments, and I can either answer them in the comments or I can do another video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And if you have any thoughts or questions about the Skillshare platform, let me know. And as always, like, share, subscribe. I love talking to people in this community. It's been a lot of fun. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.